So, good morning, all of you. Good morning, all of you. Can you reply in the chat box once whether you are audible, whether you are can able to see my screen or not? Can you respond in the chat box, please? Good morning, all of you. Audio, video, it's clear. Audio, video, it's clear. Perfect. Fine. Perfect. Okay. So, first, let me open our document once. Let me open our document once. And let us fix what is the agenda, guys, please, for today. Let us fix what is our agenda for today. Good morning, Avanti, Vamsi. So today we are going to be discussing what is DevOps. Today we are going to be discussing what is DevOps. That is an exactly single line agenda. Okay. And before starting, and let us overview of this course. Let us overview of this course. What exactly this course help you? What exactly this course will help you, please? So our course is what exactly, please? Complete DevOps, complete AWS, Linux basics, shell script. So this 4 I'm going to be covering. I'm going to be covering this 4. And if you go for duration, the DevOps duration, it will take around maybe 75 days plus. I'm going to be teaching you AWS full course. It will take around maybe 45 days plus. Got it? To learn this course, 2 courses. So the Linux basics is required. So am I covering? Yes, I'll be covered. Yes, I'm going to be covering Linux basics also. Yes, shell script is required. Any scripting language is required. That's what I'm going to be teaching you. Shell scripting. Yes, sir. Will you cover? Yes, definitely. I will be cover shell scripting also. So to learn this course, is there any programming skills is required? No. The answer is no programming skills is required. Sir, are we doing any programming in DevOps? No. Answer is no. No programming skills not required. We are not writing any programs. Sir, for practice, we required a laptop. So what is the minimum configuration, please? Windows 10 is Pro, okay. OS 4 GB RAM minimum. i3 CP, it's okay, fine. Fine, please. One by one after another, we are going to be learn. And so who can join in this course? Who can join in this course? Who can join in this course? Yes, freshers. So DevOps, in DevOps, freshers have openings. Yes, freshers can join happily. Sir, what about experienced students? Experience, yeah. Any developer can join in this course. Testers can join in this course. AWS admin, yes, sure, for sure about that. Linux administrators, yes. Windows administrator, DB administrator, any non-IT students also, any non-IT background also, you can join happily in this course. So what about educational? What about education, please? Required. So any graduate, if you give BSc Computers, BTech, or MCA, or MTech, whatever may be, any graduate, the minimal qualification to learn this course for getting a job. So the companies, it's going to be asking minimum any graduate, please. So if you join in this course, what are all the benefits you are going to be getting, please? Benefits if you join in this course. So after joining this course, after payment, you will be receiving a daily recording sessions. Daily recordings will be received via Google Drive. I'm going to be sharing daily recording sessions via Google Drive after payment only. After payment only. So why I'm providing class recordings? Because if you know some students, while you listening class, they may forget the step. After the completion of the class, while you practicing, may remember, may not be remember, may recall, may not be recall. That's the reason. With the help of my recording, you can happily practice. That is it. That is my intention to provide a recording session to each and every student. Then I'm going to be providing a resume preparation, and I will provide interview question and answers. Yes, I will provide live project means, so each and every model I will provide a one live project. So I will implement in front of in each and every class in running class itself, no separately not required. And the same thing please be implement your end also. 80% of soft to copy material I'm going to be providing to you. 80% of soft to copy material I'm going to be providing you. Got it? Very clear. So running class, VR course starts with the very basic level and ends with an advanced level. Got it very clearly. So we are starting from the scratch and we are ending with what? An advanced level, in a project level. So yeah, you can anyway. A developer can join in this course. Ashish, yeah, you can join, please. So classes are practically, yeah. So theoretically, we are understanding for each and every class. After understanding theoretically, the same thing we are implementing practically in the cloud. So what about timings and fees, please? So daily, we are going to be spending 1 hour per class. 1 hour class, we are going to be 1 hour, please. Yes. Any student, experienced person, non-experienced person, gap, you have 3 years of gap, freshers, anyone. The minimum qualification required, any graduate can learn, please. Yeah, that is an exactly. Aparna, yes. Yeah. Yeah, live classes will be there, and the same class will provide recordings also. So each and every conducting live class like this, how exactly I'm doing. After completion of this class, I will provide a recording, both. So daily 1 hour session, please. You need to spend for 1 hour for class, minimum 2 hours for class, please. Minimum 2 hours for practice. So please regularly attend the classes, my live classes. And after completion of class, you need to practice in same day itself. It will take 2 hours, 3 hours, or 4 hours, whatever. That means, please. That means, so 1 hour for class, 2 hours, 2 hours for what? For practice. Yeah. Full DevOps course will be covered. Yes, right. Yes, Chandra. Yes, you're right. Our classes are Monday to Saturday. Our classes are Monday to Saturday. The fees is what? So 12,000 rupees for both. For complete DevOps course, for complete AWS. For complete DevOps, for complete AWS. So we are going to be charging for what? 12,000 rupees. Got it. So timing is same. Same time, please. Every day, same time, please. Yeah, fine. That's it. It's okay. Fine. If you want to contact our admin, if you want to contact our admin, please call to our admin regarding payments or what are maybe, please. Please contact our admin. Please happily can able to contact to our admin for payments or admin kind of questions, please. Got it, very clear. So if you want to see my course content, what I'm going to be covering in DevOps, what I'm going to be covering in AWS, please visit my course content. Please visit my course content this. So by using this link, if you copy paste in the Google Drive, if you copy paste in the Google browser, any browser or Chrome browser, anything, you can able to see this content. So very first one is what? Course overview. Please go through these ones, which I have displayed right now only. Okay. Then the second one is what? Content of DevOps. What exactly the content we are going to be delivering? Please look at this once. Totally 18 pages of content it will be covered. Total 18 pages of content it will be covered. The next page is what? AWS content. So what AWS content it is going to be covering, please? See, totally around maybe here. So 9 pages of content here. Go through this, which are all the topics I'm covering. Look at this. Overall, how doubt about this? What is the content I'm going to be covering? What topic I'm going to be covering? Look at this course content, please. Course content. DevOps is separate content. AWS separate content. Please, all of you. Understood very clearly? So I'm going to be share this. I'm going to be sharing this link in chat box. Please be get it out. I think each and every student got this. And each and every student got this, please. Course content. Understood what exactly, please? What is the course overview? Everything you clarified. Okay, please. You clarified. So what is the duration of this course? What are the prerequisites? Who can join in this course? So what are the benefits you are going to be getting if you join in this course? So what are the timings and fees and admin contact number and more my course content? It's very clear. Yes. Fine. Fine. So shall we start the session, please? So let me start my session. So let us understand for today. What is DevOps? We are going to be understand for today. We are going to be understand, please. Got it very clear. Got it. Very clear. So let us understand demo session. So first, before starting, somebody is asking question. Let it be addressed first. Then we'll start the session, please. So the videos validity up to 6 months. From date of registration, it will valid up to 6 months, please. Six months. It's a namesake only. It won't delete anything lifetime. But as per record, as per officially, 6 months from date of registration, it will be 6 months, please. Fine. So are you requesting global certification DevOps and AWS is joining in the company? Yeah, not providing, but you need to do online. Avanti, you need to do online, please. You need to do online, please. You need to do online, please. So one more time, try to Ravi. Can you try it one more time, please? Okay, fine. Shall we start our session, please? Yeah, fine. Very good. So before starting the session, let me introduce myself. My name is Lakshmi Rao. I have a totally 15 years of experience in IT. My career starts as a Java developer. Then I turn as a Java DevOps engineer from last 5 years onwards, and as well as cloud also. That is in exactly my profile. That is in exactly my profile. So just course outline. So what we have displayed in this course content, just course outline. These are all the modules we are going to be covering. CI/CD module we are going to be covering, configuration management model, and deployment model like AWS, Docker, Kubernetes. Infra provisioning tools we are going to be we are going to be learning. Provisioning tools we are going to be learning, and monitoring tools also we are going to be learning. Got it? In AWS, the complete course totally EC2 model. These are all services I'm talking. Models, EC2 model, VPC model, RDS and dynamic model, S3 and IM model, and we are going to be experience CLS CF also. Just to course outline only, please. Okay, fine. And before starting the session, okay, I want to ask you few questions. So I want to ask you only 3 questions. I want to ask you only 3 questions, guys, please. I want to ask you 3 questions, please. So the first one is what? What is application? What is the first one, please? What is a application, please? What is application, please tell me. The second question is what? What is server? The third question is what? What is SDLC? What are the first question? Anybody help me? Do you have an idea? What is an application, please? Anybody have an idea, please? What is an application? Please help me in the chat box. What is an application, please? What is an application? Application is nothing but what? Application is nothing but what? A website, like a Redbus, like a Flipkart, please, like a Redbus, like a Flipkart. These are all we calling as an applications only. But as a definition point of view, please. What is an application? The working software which is written any programming language. The working software which is written any programming language we call as an application. That application we are going to be placing in servers. What is it? Can you repeat one more time? The working software which is written any programming language by using Java, .NET, Python, anything. That application we are going to be placing into the server side. We are going to be placing into the server side. After successfully placing on server side, then over an internet as a website we are going to be accessing. That is what exactly application, that is what exactly server. What is it? So the working software as an application we are going to be placing on server side, then there itself we are going to be accessing as website. I hope you clarify. But what about third question, please? What is SDLC? What is SDLC? So how many students don't know what is SDLC? Can reply in the chat box. How many people don't know what is SDLC? Can you confirm in the chat box, please? In the chat box, please. Please. Sir, I know SDLC, or else I don't know SDLC. Can you reply like that in the chat box? Please. Shailaja don't know. Ashish don't know. Sandeep know about it. Aparna don't know. Vikas knows. Ravi knows. Yeah. Thanks. Thanks a lot, please. Thanks for replying. Thanks. But let us understand. Let us understand what is SDLC. SDLC is nothing but what? A software development lifecycle. SDLC is nothing but what? Software development lifecycle. SDLC is nothing but what? Software development lifecycle. SDLC in the sense of what? Software development lifecycle. It's very clear, all of you, please. So in this, we have several stages like analysis, design, implementation, testing, deploy, and maintenance. So if you want to produce a working software as an application, we need to follow these are all the stages. Then only we can able to produce a working software. Then only we can able to produce a working software. For example, for your understanding, if you want to build a house or a villa or apartment, whatever may be, so can able to build overnight? Can I able to build overnight? Is it possible? Is it possible? No, I think it is not. We can't build a house or apartment or a villa. It is not possible overnight. So what are the first stage, guys? Please, we need to gather the information. Gather the information. What is the iron cost? What are the cement cost? What are maybe. Then after gathering information, so we are gonna be so get a plan. Very good design. According to the design, so we are gonna be start building. So basement, beams, walls, slab, plumbing, plastering, electrical, paints, then ceremony and maintenance. So to construct the house, these many stages we have. Likewise, if you want to build a red bus kind of application, so if you want to build a red bus kind of applications, what they will do is, can able to build overnight? Is no, it is not possible overnight. That means we need to follow these are all SDLC process. That means first step is what? Analysis. What kind of business this? Registration page, login page, whatever may. We need to analysis, gathering information from the client, So based on analysis, so architects will design. Is nothing but what? Plan. According into the plan, our developers will write the lines of code. Means, so they're gonna be implementing software by using Java, .NET, Python, any programming language. Whether it is software is in working condition or not, our testers will be verified or validate by using some test cases or automation test cases or a manual test cases. Then there itself we are going to be placing on production servers. After successfully placing on production servers, Okay, then there itself we can able to access our internet as a Redbus, Flipkart, or anything actually. That's it. After successfully deploying, our job is finished. No, whether this application is working or not, we need to monitor. We need to monitor this entire flow. We call as what? SDLC. The entire flow we call as what? SDLC. Understood very clearly, all of you? By using SDLC, by using SDLC, we can develop, alter, maintain, and replace software system. It includes a planning, design, build, test, and deploy. Clear, all of you, please? Understood very clearly. I hope you understood very clearly what is SDLC. Okay, so means on SDLC we are going to be implementing DevOps process. A DEV is nothing but what? Development. OPS is nothing but what? Operation. The combination of software development plus operation we call as what? DevOps. That means as a DevOps engineer, our roles and responsibilities start from where? Dev environment. Ends with where? Operations. That means we are part of coding, build, test, release, deploy, operation, and the monitoring. But to be frankly, we are not writing any code. We are not writing any test cases. We are not writing any test cases. We are not writing any test cases, please. We are not writing any test cases. Just we are implementing DevOps process only. Just we're implementing a DevOps process only, please. Just we're implementing DevOps process from dev environment to operation. But while implementing this DevOps process, we are not writing any code. We are not writing any test cases. Just we're implementing DevOps process only. But DevOps is a technology. DevOps is a technology like Java.net. No. DevOps is not a technology. DevOps is a methodology. DevOps is what? Methodology. DevOps is what? Process. So as a DevOps engineer, we are going to be implementing a DevOps process. While implementing DevOps process, make sure whether we can able to deliver the working software from dev environment to production environment. So within a timeline, within a shortest time, with the high quality, with low cost. That is in exactly DevOps. What I said, I'll repeat. While delivering working software from dev environment to operations, so we need to deliver within a shortest time, with the high quality, with low cost is nothing but what? DevOps. But what exactly DevOps engineer does? What exactly our prior goal? What is the roles and responsibilities? Our roles and responsibilities just replacing with a complex pipeline with a transparent pipeline. That is exactly our prior goal. As a DevOps engineer, our roles and responsibilities are what? Complex pipeline replaced with a transparent pipeline. That is exactly what? Our roles and responsibility. But what is a complex pipeline? What is a transparent pipeline? Let us understand first. Then you can understand. Then we can continue. So what is a complex, please? What is a complex? So the SDLC process itself a complex pipeline. Why? Why? Because of for analysis to design, design to implementation, implementation to testing, testing to deploy, deploy to maintenance, maintain to analysis again. This entire flow, it's a manual process. It is a manual process. The SDLC process is a manual process only. A manual process. A manual process, please. 1 second. A manual process. 1 second. A manual process. It is a manual process. So in the middle, if you got any problem, any error, any bug, any issue, it will take a long time to identification. It will take a long time to resolve the issue. That's why we call as a complex pipeline. For your understanding, so in a water pipeline, somewhere else block here. Block, it is not a leakage, it is a blockage. How difficult to identify, please tell me. It is very difficult or not? Yes, definitely it will be difficult to identify. It will take a long time. It will take resolving issue also long time. That's what we're calling as a complex. Okay, but but what we're expecting, what exactly we are going to be implementing, DevOps transparent pipeline. In this transparent pipeline, if you block anything, if any blockage, because of his water pipeline is a transparent way or not, if any blockage in the middle, so can easily identify or not, can able to give the solution easily or not, with no time or not, as soon as possible, can able to fix the issues or not. The same way. So DevOps also is a transparent pipeline. While implementing DevOps process from dev environment to operation, we are implementing with an automated way. We are going to be implementing with a transparent way. That is exactly what DevOps transparent pipeline. DevOps transparent pipeline. So, but what exactly we are, please? So our high level diagram, that means our DevOps process is look like this. Our DevOps processes look like this only. Please, we are going to be implementing DevOps process with the transparent way, with an automated way from dev environment to operations. With the dev environment to operation, that means our roles and responsibility starts from where? Our roles and responsibility start from where? Dev environment, ends with where? Operation. That means from dev environment to operation, we are going to be implementing a transparent pipeline with an automated way. While delivering software into the production environment, make sure whether it is shortest time, with high quality, with low cost. It is an exactly DevOps process. But let us understand one by one. Are you part of planning? No. Are we writing any code? No. Are you writing any test cases? No. But what exactly, please? What is the roles and responsibilities in each and every step? Let us understand. So we are part of coding, integration, testing, release, deploy, operation. But we are not writing any code. We are not writing any test casing. We are not writing any planning. We are not doing any planning. Just we're implementing DevOps, a transparent pipeline with an automated way. That's it. That is exactly our roles. But so in dev environment, developers writing a code. Developers are continuously writing a code. But that code is we are going to be maintaining in the repositories. I'll repeat one more time. Writing is responsible by the developer, but maintaining by whom, please? DevOps engineer. After writing by code by developer, we are going to be take over and maintaining in a repositories as a DevOps engineer. Our job is only for maintaining a source code. We are not writing anything. But how many developers are writing a code continuously? N number of developers. All developer source code we are going to be integrating. We are going to be integrating continuously. All developer source code we are integrating continuously. all developer source code we are integrating continuously. After integrating continuously, we can able to get a comprehensive source code at this level. Whether the software is in working condition or not, we are going to be executing test cases automatically, which is written by the testers. If we got any error, any bug, it will redirecting into the developer. Developer has to fix the issue, again integration, again test. Okay, again test case will be executed. If you got error again redirecting back to the developer. A developer has to fix the issue, and again integration, again test. Then this loop will be repeated until what? Zero errors, zero bugs. Then we are going to be delivering into release. Continuously we are delivering into release. After successfully delivering into the release in a particular maintenance window, on a particular maintenance window, we are going to be placing onto the production servers on a hundreds of production servers in a particular maintenance window on a particular scheduled date. So we are going to be placing our applications on a hundreds of production servers. After successfully deploying our application, then there itself we are going to be accessing our internet as a website. Clarified? That's it, our job is done? No, we need to maintain monitoring. Clear all of you please? Perfectly. So that means we are not writing any test cases, we are not writing any test cases, we are not writing any code. Just we are in implementing DevOps process with the transparent way, with an automated way. While delivering working software from dev environment to operations, make sure whether delivering working software within shortest time, with the high quality, with low cost. That is in exactly our prior goal. Understood very clearly? So what exactly are roles and responsibilities in while implementing DevOps transparent pipeline? You clarify. But to implement this DevOps transparent pipeline, which are all the tools we are going to be learning, we should understand thoroughly. So for implementing this DevOps process, we are going to be using some tool stack. Which are all tool stack we are going to be using? We are going to be using Git, Maven, JFrog, Jenkins, JFrog, Sonar. These are all the tools we are going to be using for implementing CI/CD process, continuously integrating, continuously delivering, continuously integrating, continuously delivering, continuously integrating, continuously delivering. So for implementing this process, we are going to be learning. So these are all the tools step. Which tools we are going to be learning, guys, please? Git is for what? Handling source code. We are going to be handling source code in a Git report, in a Git repositories. We are going to build the project by using Maven. Please. And we are going to be learning Jenkins. It's an automation tool. Got it very clearly. We are going to be learning Jenkins automation tool. Jenkins automation tool. Fine, sorry for that. And we are going to be learning JFrog. We are going to be learning SonarQube. By using Jenkins, we can able to automate this entire flow. And so JFrog is nothing but what? Release. JFrog is nothing but what? Release. By using SonarQube, whether the developers are writing standards or not, whether the developers are using right functions or not, it will be analyzed and it will give statistics and reports. But our job is only configuration. If you got any Java problem or any coding level problem, the developer will responsible, not by you. Then the next module, what we are going to be learning, configuration management. Configuration management. What is an exactly configuration management? So we are going to be deploying our applications on hundreds of servers or not. So on those 100 servers, we can automate. Means on a one server, second server, two server, 10th server, 100. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 100. On a hundreds of servers, automatically creating a files, installing software, uninstalling software, changing files, placing your deploying our applications by using configuration management. That means manual configuration process replaced with an automated process. That is an exactly configuration. That means by helping of configuration management, we can able to automate production environment, testing environment, dev environment. For that, we are going to be learning Ansible and Chef. Ansible is a push model, Chef is a pull model. One push model we're going to be learning, one pull model we're going to be learning. Clear all of it, please? Understood very clearly. And these hundreds of servers, from where exactly we can able to get it? Either physically or virtually or AWS cloud. We are going to be getting a hundreds of cloud servers over an internet. On top of it, we are going to be automated by helping of Ansible and Chef. So we can deploy our applications on Docker containers also. We can deploy our applications on Docker containers also. Directly we can deploy AWS servers, or else we can deploy on Docker containers. Docker container is an isolated area which is suits only for applications. By using Docker, we can able to reduce the cost, increase the performance, we can able to save the cost, and and we can able to save the resources also. These are all the features of Docker. Okay, Docker meant for only for what? Deploying our applications. It's very important tool. We are going to be discussing very deep dive. And those containers we can able to manage by please Kubernetes. Managed by these containers, we can able to manage by Kubernetes. How exactly the ship is controlling, managing these are all the containers. The same way our Kubernetes is going to be managing, controlling our Docker containers. Got it? It's very clear. And we are going to be learning Vagrant is a virtual provisioning tool. We are going to be learning. We are going to be learning Negios and Elk. Elk is nothing but realistic log stack given. Then, so a Negios is a system monitoring. We can server is alive or not, whether it's pingable or not, basic monitoring. But Elk is an application monitoring, log monitoring, please. And we are going to be learning Terraform. Terraform is a provisioning tool. Terraform is what? A provisioning tool, please. Infra provisioning tool. We can able to create a service or network in any cloud. It is a cross cloud platform. We are going to be learning this tool also. And so by helping of these all the tool stack, we are going to be implementing our DevOps process. That is exactly our prior goal. That is exactly our roles and responsibilities as a DevOps engineer. Understood very clearly, all of you, please. So that is what exactly our today's issue. So tomorrow we are going to be discussing about what is AWS and what is AWS versus DevOps. Exactly tomorrow sessions. Got it very clearly, all of you, please. Understood perfectly. So what is AWS? We'll discuss tomorrow, Ashish. What is AWS and what is the DevOps? We understood today. Tomorrow we are going to be understand what is AWS and what is the difference between AWS and DevOps. What is interrelation? What is the relation between these two? We'll understand by tomorrow. Thank you, Aparna. Thank you. Thank you, Aparna. No, sorry. We are covering only for Chandrasekhar. We are covering only Mavan. Sorry. Chandrasekhar, please. Ravi. You can ask me doubts in the chat box. End of the meeting, you can talk to me also, please. If you want to talk to me, Ravi, you can talk to me. You can ask me and I can allow to talk to you. End of each and every session. Or else I have a mail. I'll provide a registered email address. Registered email address. You can email me also, please. Shall this course will go deep for AWS? Yeah, complete AWS. Yeah, deeper, full course. And Sandeep, I said very clearly, complete AWS course. Please go to my course content. So please go to my course content once. I already shared. Got an error for 8:30. When will start class? Regular session, Ram. We are in regular sessions only. So tomorrow, tomorrow we are understanding what is AWS. Then we'll start day after tomorrow onwards our regular classes. After understanding what are the difference between DevOps and AWS, we are going to be starting regular session by day after tomorrow. So do you need to buy AWS services? Not buying, Andy. We're going to be taking rental based, Abhishek. But how I will teach you slowly. But we need to create an account, AWS account. So with a free of somebody, some services are paid, some services are free. By using free services, we are going to be practicing AWS. That roughly monthly 200 to 300 rupees we are spending for using AWS. Roughly, it around maybe two biryani costs. That is not a big deal for you, please, for practicing or learning DevOps. Yeah. What an error, please. 8:30. Ram, I'm not getting you, please. Can you retype your question, please? Yeah. Total, not total and sorry. Total is different. Total is different, please. 75 days for what? DevOps only. 45 days for what? AWS. Roughly 4 months. Okay. Roughly, I can say total 4 months. Total duration, please, of this course. Okay, clarified. No confusion. Am I right? Fine. So you can get the Avanti today's session. You can able to get it from YouTube. Go for DURGASOFT channel in YouTube. You can get it definitely. Video course access duration. Video course nothing and only live sessions only. Who are all joining the session? Those people will get a recording session. No separate video buying and only for joining video. No nothing. Arun, if you join in this core live session only, you can able to daily recording sessions only. Arun. Today demo class, you can able to get it from our YouTube. Which project will get it on workout? And each and every model. So we are going to be covering one project, live project, please. So Avanti I can't give my phone number. Sorry. So if you want to talk to me, please call to our admin. They will arrange a conference call. You can talk to me, Avanti. Please, you can able to talk to me through admin. They will arrange a conference call, please. If anybody want to talk to me personally, Please, they will arrange a conference call, please. Yeah, definitely. I already given a phone numbers, please. WhatsApp also there, please. WhatsApp also, please contact our admin once. These are admin numbers. This is my content, course content, please. Now WhatsApp also there, Sandeep. You can WhatsApp also. Yeah, you can WhatsApp, Sandeep. Definitely, you can. So, for example, please. For example, one of the questions, sir. I have how many years you can experience can we show? Maximum 3-4 years, 3 to 3.5, maximum 4 years. Gupta. But for example, you have a 10 years of gap or 10 years of experience. How can I able to show you, please? I have a total 10 years of an IT, but I'm working from last 3 years onward as a developer. Gupta, you can show like that. As example is my profile. I have a 15 years of experience, but 5 years only I'm working in DevOps. Validity, nothing, no validity, but sake of if you're asking any kind of validity of recording sessions, 6 months validity from date of registration, 6 months validity for the sake of telling only, but I won't delete any recordings. Happily can access, there is no problem for Kumar. Can I call in this number? Yeah, you can call please. Azad, which I given a phone number, please call, please. I'm an MBA financial background. Also, can have 2.5 years experience in financial? Do you consider this pressure? Yeah, don't. Sorry, no. But rarely. But 1 year, okay. 1.5, 2 years, 1.5, okay. They can manage, but you can show it as an experience. Yeah, but or else so is an experience, please. What are the course fee? Did I say any course fee here? No. I have a 4 years of experience in automation. Yeah, Gupta, you can continue, please. Sir, my question, please. Anji, please, can you repeat one question, please? Please. What is the question, please? Can you repeat your question? Anji, can you repeat your question, please? The people are telling Python required. Yes. Answer is yes. And people are telling Python is required for DevOps. Yes. Answer is yes. Ashish, but with these all the syllabus, can able to learn Python again? It's very difficult, Can able to manage interview? Can able to manage their interview or not? Very difficult. That's what they're asking. Any scripting language, either Python scripting or shell scripting. Compared to Python scripting, shell scripting easy. That's what I'm preferring, shell scripting. Ashish, clarify. I am 2016 passed out. I am shifting into the IT right now. May I need to experience certificate? Is there any faculty facility on for that? Sorry, Anji, please. I'm providing any technical things, how to resume preparation, interview question and answers, completing my course. So that kind of help, please. But certification, sorry for that, please, Anji, please, any channel you have, please go to that, please. Yeah, I'm in 2000 passed out. So yeah, you can, yes, definitely, you can, please, you can join, Anji, you can join as a shell script enough. Avanti, yes. Any scripting language they're going to be asking. Any scripting language, either Python scripting, shell scripting, enough. Shell scripting is enough. Not required. Not required. No, not required. Don't. I'm not recommend to learn Python for initially, because learning complete cloud, the learning complete DevOps, shell scripting, Linux basics enough. I'm covering Linux basics also. Enough. Totally 4 months is spelling huge syllabus we're going to be covering. So what I'm delivering, please be practice. That is more than enough to crack the interview, get the job, and settle your career. Enough. So I hope you are clearing DevOps and AWS certification from this course knowledge. Yeah, Chandrasekhar, you can do AWS certification also, DevOps certification also, Chandrasekhar. Yes. Ashish, can we do product-based companies for interview after this course? Go for service-based companies or product-based company. Both you can go for it. Any type of company. This course suits for product-based companies or as well as product-based. That's what Ansible is for service. Chef for what? Product-based. Ashish. That's what two tools. Push and pull. What purpose, please? Product-based for Chef. Service-based for Ansible. Ashish. That's what. Shell script takes how many days? Around maybe 1 week. Gupta. Can you repeat your question, please? Somebody's Gupta. So will you able to cover in 1 week? Shell script, and I'm talking about shell script only, no? Basic shell script. Yes, yes, definitely. Basic shell script. I'm talking about basic shell script. Gupta, please. Fine. For any other questions, please, all of you. Clarified, all of you, please. Done. So weekly I'm providing, please. Assignments. So every day is an assignment only, please. Every day assignment. What exactly I'm delivering practically in front of you, the same date you need to implement. That is your assignment. And for example, today I have calendar to one session, so you need to implement the same day. Every day, please. Every day, please. Yeah. So live projects we are going to be covering, please, Ravi. Yes. Live projects. So we are starting from Ravi, please. Basics. To understand the basics. Then what? Functionality. All the features and functions we are going to be understand each and every tool. Then after understanding complete understanding tool, then how exactly we are going to be implementing a project, a live task. Then so to and flow, some very basic to advanced, we're going to be covering, Ravi, please. That's what, not mock interview, not, but interview question and answers I will provide, Anji. Mock interview, it will due to my scheduled time. That is the reason. So Anji, I'm providing interview question and answers instead of that, Anji. So that's it for today, guys, please. So we will meet tomorrow. We will meet tomorrow. We will meet tomorrow, please. At the same time, same link, same time. So this is my admin number. Please contact. If any regarding P's and admin kind of questions, please ask to them. It is my admin number. It is my content starter kit. You can access. So thank you, buddies. So we'll meet tomorrow with same link. Same link, same time. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Thank you, bye. Thank you, buddies. Thank you, buddies. Thank you. Thank you.